Well, how to make a LV08 and LV08 X5. Basically, you just connect to the serial port right there with a UART to USB, and you can just go to this website here, and it's basically an EPS flasher website, the official one. This is basically the one that Bitaxe copies, and a bunch of different Nerd Miner. They basically all copy this Flash web code. A lot of people don't realize that this is the true source of what makes these Bitaxe and NerdAxe do what they do, right? It's basically the EPS, the ESP chip. And if you're wondering what the ESP chip is, it's basically that big square chip right there. A lot of people think that was developed by the Bitaxe team and so forth, but no. ESP has been around, I would say, probably a decade before even the first Bitaxe came around. And that chip is used in many devices, many IoT devices uses that chip and so forth. In any given case, doesn't matter. But right now I have it connected to the computer, and doing a flash right now. I think I'm using version 12. Let me go here. Here it is. Yes, I'm using version 12 right now for the LV08. So one thing I have to say is thanks to the open source team for producing the actual software, in which I'm flashing it on this LV08. Once done, it will become an LV08 X5. And it's almost finished. You gotta wait for the verification to complete. When it tells you to reset, there you go. The RTS reset, that means it's done. And now a new X5 LV08 is born. Thank you guys for watching. This is Full Electric. See you guys later.